majority of these hours are Bahama. We got a buddy's got a place over there, Green Turtle.
Is this front one plumbed, or is that just a, well?
Say that one more time. With that, but they have to subscribe to it, you know, it's like anything, but everything's right here real easy. Look. So pumps, filters, everything. These are for deep dropping, your port and starboard deep dropping outlets. It's got the big washdown pump, which is right here. Freshwater's over there. Right here.
Oh, yeah.
Hose comes out. I usually put bait in that. And this one here is what do you think? I just redid that probably about 1.5 years ago. I did that because it was just, you get somebody to run your boat and they fucking don't know how to run your boat. I had this all built. This